Hey insulators, this is the CM1500. On the CM1500, you're going to have a rheostat. This is the dial that dials up your blower. Now this is also found in 2400s as well as the 700s. When you get into the PD blower, it's got a totally different blower control. So let's talk about these rheostats, these variable speeds. Sometimes these variable speeds will wear out over time. If you're finding that you're not able to get your blower speed up or something's wrong with your blowers, this is the first thing to check. So what we did was we opened up this cabinet and we actually found that this one is shorting out. So look for any burns, any shorts, and that will definitely tell you need to replace it. To remove the rheostat, you're going to want to make sure that you're grabbing the right one. So this is this side. It's easy. Just pull the knob off and slide the panel down. Put that to the side. I'm going to take a picture just in case. So I like to work on one wire at a time. And here's the new one that we're going to put in. So it's really 3 wires you're going to connect. The 2 power wires, and then you have one that goes to the neutral. We're going to make our connections. We're going to remove this, and then we're going to put this. It's really helpful when you get wire crimpers that will actually be true wire crimpers that put a nice square on here. What it's going to do is it's going to crimp this down nicely. A lot of crimpers will just like indent it, punch it in. We want a really good solid connection. So this is going to apply even pressure all the way across that crimp and flatten that out perfectly. And you close this and you wait for it to click. And once it clicks, then you know it's good. I'm going to do that one more time. Put this in there, and then we're going to close it right down. Now look at how nice that is flattened out and it's full contact. This is not going to come off. Just snip that right off. Wago nuts, W-A-G-O. They're very easy to use. They come in multiple sizes. See, we have 1-to-1 connection. You can have 1-to-4 connection if you wanted to. We're going to use a 1-to-1 connection on these. Then to remove the neutral, we're going to have a 3/8 socket. Technically, we should be just calling this the ground.
Oh my goodness.
Minecraft this, Minecraft that.
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you clip really close to the connector. That way you're not losing a lot of wire. And then this one is going to double up, so I need to strip that back a little bit. This one required the 2 grounding wires to be put together into one. So you're going to want to make sure that you get a nice larger grommet like what we're using here. And again, we're going to use this squared off tool. Shows you the yellow dot because we're using a yellow connector. We're putting the ground back in and we're tighten this right up. This side matches up with this wire here. So we're going to put these 2 together. Lift the lever, it opens it up. Yep. You can slide this right in. See how the insulation goes right inside there, and it's really got a really good positive connection there. Just clip it down. And then the other one we're going to put on the other side, and this connects those 2. Boom. So we're going to connect the other one now. There we go. Now all we have to do is screw this thing in place. Just slide this right back up into place. Put it in, you're not going to know exactly where it is. Turn it all the way to the left until you hear the click. And make sure it's on off. And so we're going to take this out. We're going to line it up one more time. And we're going to make sure it matches where the off line is. If you put the block back in and you find that this is all jammed up, just take this and remove it. Remove both of them. And then go around the block to loosen that right back up. We're going to use these zip ties, throw it through the zip tie block that's in here already, and we are going to tie this back into place.